Okay, we're going to look at something called radicals, which essentially is anything under the square root sign is a radical. Let me look at just how to write up the notation of this, just very, very quickly. If you have something like, if I multiply, or if I have the number, let's say 2 root 2, okay? 2 root 2 means 2 times root of 2. Now, root of 2 is some number. I think it's going to end up being like 1.4 or something, and it keeps going on. But we have 2 root 2 is written in a radical form. Radical form just means that the numbers are all in the numerator and there's no radical in the denominator. So that's what you want. So if I ever get a number like 4 over root 3, okay, 4 over root 3 is not written in radical form because there's a radical in a denominator. Now, how do I get rid of that? I'll just show you very quickly how to get rid of this radical in a denominator. What we do is we multiply by 1. Because if you multiply by 1, you don't change the number. Now, if I'm going to multiply by 1, I'm going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. Now, root 3 over root 3 is the number 1. It's just dressed up a little differently. The nice thing that happens here is it does get rid of the radical on the bottom, because what will happen is you'll get, well, 4 times root 3 is 4 root 3, and root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Okay, it's like root 3 squared, essentially, and you're going to get 3 back. So this is this number, okay, written differently. 4 root 3 over 3 is the same as 4 over root 3. You should know how to switch back and forth. You'll commonly see some of these radicals come up, but you should know how to switch back and forth between these ones.